Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the price chart of Enveric Biosciences. And if you can observe this chart, what has happened that the stock made a gap up in the month of November 2020, and from a level of 1.61 it directly opened at 4.5 and went up to a high of $14. And right now in the past, this is monthly chart, so 1 2 3 4, in the past 4 months it falls back, or I would say come down, and try to fill up the gap. So what has happened here, so the gap that it has created 5 months ago, here now it is filling it up and exactly taking support at the lower end of this gap and trying to again move on the upper side. So what you have here is 1.91, which is your support as well as your final stop loss, so don't try to go below that. Second, although I am using monthly chart, but we have very limited data of last 2.5 years, so we are not going to go beyond the data now, because it has already filled up the gap and it is now trying to move on the upside. Obviously, with a limited downside of 1.91, we will again look on the upside with 2 or 3 specific targets. So let me draw all the line of resistances. Okay, yeah, we are. So right now the upside that we are going to look at will be something like this. So the first target we are looking at will be $5.4. Then we will have our second target of 11.81. We will have our third target of 15.4, and the big target that we are looking at in the upcoming weeks and months will push the price towards $20. So this is what we are looking at in this particular chart. But let me tell you one thing, that this chart is indeed very volatile in nature, and probability of a very sharp swing is also there, where you can see the stock moved up very sharply, but whether it is able to hold up or not, and that's a big question. Because in the past, whenever the stock made a big move, let's say for here from 1.2 till $5, but it is unable to sustain. So that's what is probably happening in the past. Whether, let's see how whether it will happen in the future or not. So what's the better strategy is to, whenever you get your level, just simply take the money out. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.